As someone who has so many interests in science, I knew it was going to be a challenge figuring out what I was going to major in, but after attending all these open houses, it really helped me get a better understanding of what each program had to offer and really helped me solidify my decision for my major.
Hi, I'm Angela Rakier and I'm the Student Services Coordinator for the Faculty of Science. Science holds department open houses, and the whole purpose of those are to give students an opportunity to learn about all the different programs in science so that they have a better foundation to pick their major or to decide if they want to do an honors or maybe a minor in a particular subject. So it's really important that our students go to those. It's great for getting information, learning about courses, the types of research that are in the departments. So at the end of the day, it's a great informative event.
Hello, I'm Dr. Katherine Barclay, Faculty of Science, Department of Biology, and I'm the Director of Undergraduate Studies for all of our biology programs. The purpose of the open houses is to give you a bit of an understanding of what a biology degree would be like, what do you require, what would you cover during your degree, and even what are the possible sort of career paths that a biology degree can give you. And we cover all that in the open house. There's 6 basically different biology type degrees. We have the basic biology major and a biology honors, and we will explain the difference between the two at the open house. But we also have the biology chemistry degree. We have our brand new biology psychology degree, which gives us the double major between biology and psychology. We have the biology option as part of the environmental sciences degree. We have biology math, biology physics. If you're interested in any aspect of biology, we really would like you to attend, because this is your opportunity to see what is biology. This gives you sort of background into the depth that biology covers, all the different aspects of biology.
I'm Valerie Reeves from the Department of Chemistry. The Chemistry Open House has been a lot of fun in the past. We spent a few minutes at the start explaining our 2 chemistry programs, then talk about careers that you can have, with a chemistry degree, where recent and past grads are. And then we also highlight some of our keystone kind of courses, like our Chem 3009 and 3019, and those are our research courses. And we have a lot of fun talking about those because they're really, really excellent hands-on classes that you can take and get lab credit for. We have 2 streams of programs, so majors and honors in pure chemistry. And with that, you get to kind of choose your area of chemistry that you want to concentrate in, but you also take all the different types of chemistry. And then we have medicinal chemistry, which is relatively new and was the first of its kind in Canada. And it's more designed to get you a little bit of biology, but still have an accredited chemistry degree. We give out the advising sheets, all the departments do, so it's like a rubric of all the courses you have to take. Don't just take one of those and walk away and never talk to an advisor. So self-advising, don't do it. Always make sure you check in with an advisor to make sure that you have all the courses you're going to need by the time you want to graduate.
My name is Audrey Limoges and I am in the Department of Earth Science. So in the open house of the Department of Earth Science, they will learn about a lot of interesting things. The information that is provided ranges from specifics about the academic programs, funding opportunities, career perspectives. They will be able to speak with professors and students, so they will get a better sense of all the interesting topics. So we have 5 options: Earth Science, Environmental Geoscience. Then we have 2 concentrations in the program of Environmental Science. We also have the program of Geological Engineering and Geological Studies.
My name is Patrick Reynolds. I'm an instructor, teaching professor in the math department, math and stats. We'll be talking a little bit about the various degree options that we offer. So we offer a bunch of different kinds of minors. We of course offer a major in both math and stats. There's honors programs. We'll be talking about the different courses we offer, what you can kind of expect. One point that I try to get across when I'm involved in the open house is how a math degree, they really should be more popular. They're really beneficial for carving out a career path in terms of pay, in terms of job satisfaction, low burnout rates, etc. And every time I check, the following 4 careers are the top 20. They're mathematician, actuary, statistician, and data scientist. Always in the top 20, usually in the top 10. You don't have to be a math genius to earn a math degree. You don't have to be a stats genius to earn a stats degree. You just have to put in the time, put in the effort, have some intellectual curiosity, and these can really lead to some good, interesting career options.
Hi, I'm Ben Newling. I'm from the Department of Physics, and I'm also an assistant dean, so I work in the Dean's office. So the Physics Open House, we spend a little bit of time introducing the various programs in physics that are available, and we spend a little bit of time showing people around the research labs, and that's quite important in a small department because almost all of the physics undergraduates can get a chance to work in one of the research labs if they're interested in that during their degree program, so we get a chance to show people what's going on in the department. And then we gather people together again for a question and answer session, so there's a chance for people to ask anything they might want to know about incorporating some physics into their degree, and then we have a door prize. And then we have a sort of demonstration floor show. We have a few physics demonstrations running for people to interact with and find out about. So it's a chance, number one, to meet all the people who instruct the physics courses in the physics department, so it's a chance to get to know some people for the first time. It's also a chance to meet other people who might be interested in doing physics as part of their degree, so those might be people who you'll be sharing classes with later on and things like that. It's also a chance to ask any questions you might have about how does physics fit with all the various programs, because physics has interdepartmental programs with all of the science departments. It's a chance to find things out and get some of your questions answered, and also a chance to make initial contacts.
My name is Dr. Veronica Whitford, and I'm an associate professor and NSERC Canada Research Chair in Cognitive Neuroscience in the Department of Psychology here at UNB Fredericton. It's an excellent opportunity to learn about the interesting programs that we have available here in the psychology department. You will have direct contact with an advisor in the psych department, as well as have the opportunity to interact with current undergraduate students and former undergraduate students who are now currently graduate students here in our psych program in experimental and clinical psychology. We offer a Bachelor of Science with a major in psychology, a Bachelor of Science with a major in psychology and a specialization in neuroscience. We also offer the opportunity to have an honors degree in both of these streams, where students get to conduct research in a laboratory under the mentorship of a professor. And we are excited to launch our new biology psychology program in the fall, which will allow students to take courses in both disciplines as part of their regular 4-year BSc. The open house will be entirely interactive in nature. I, the faculty advisor for psychology, will be there to give students a lay of the land in terms of the different programs that we have to offer. But there will also be current undergraduate students in our program, as well as former undergraduate students who are now graduate students here at UNB. There will be snacks and there will be pizza, and you are of course encouraged and welcome to ask any questions that you may have.
I already knew what I wanted to do after school, so I only attended one of the open houses, but it really helped lay everything out and put everything into perspective.
But I didn't know what the path was going to look like or what courses I needed to take, so the open house was still very useful for me.
I think all of the open houses all around science are kind of a fact-finding mission. They're a chance for you as students to meet some faculty who you might not have come across yet, and to find out about what's going on in the departments in a research sense, but also in a teaching sense, and to find out what's going to be a good fit for you. So it's a chance to explore.
In your first year of science, it may be difficult to make up your mind about which program to choose. There's a lot of great options, some of which you may never have heard about before, and it's such an important decision that it can be confusing. So attending open houses is a good place to start to untangle all of these options.
So it's about 20 minutes at the very most that you'll have to kind of like just put up with listening, but then it's all questions, and the more questions you can ask, the better. Like that that in my head is what the whole event should be about.
We give you information, but we need also for you to ask any questions you have about the degrees that we have in science.
It's an engaging event, so the whole idea is that you'll have advisors there from the different programs. So they're going to talk and introduce the different types of programs that are available in our interdepartmental programs. So there's a lot of joint programs that you can take. They may talk about some of their research. They may have some of their faculty there that do research to highlight some of those things. They may have current students there that are already taking a program, so you can ask some additional questions. But it's definitely, they share information, then they have a Q&A to really allow the students to interact and ask questions, especially if they're thinking about professional schools and that, on how that will fit for them.
If you're interested in learning more about the details of the open house, be sure to check your email, and please be sure to check out the social media platforms.
So if anybody wants to hear anything before the open house, absolutely come see me. And then I'm hoping people will come see me after the open house too, to pick their courses.
And so we'd really like to see you there.